We're outside and we just saw this cicada bug. Cicada bug. Hashing out of its shell.
There you go, there's a good view.
It's cool.
That's the easiest thing.
This thing just climbed out of its own shell.
Yeah.
Why won't you make a video of this? Put this on.
Look at that thing, guys.
It's
Sorry
cool.
about the shakiness.
Is people
Big.
Is people saying stuff about this?
Oh.
It's really big.
There's a
No, it's
lot
not
of
big.
people.
It's just cool.
BG person, he. There's a bunch of.
I doubt anybody's seen this. I haven't.
Everybody who's joining, it's a cicada bug and it's leaving its exoskeleton.